Today, BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean and disassemble your AK74, which is pretty much the exact same as the AK47, but you're gonna watch it anyway, because we're back to the disassembly and cleaning videos. Oh, yeah!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
BangMung. Howdy, folks. Welcome your asses back to the cleaning and videos and such and that sort of thing. I almost fumbled my words. We got our AK-74 here. Just had a nice little powwow with that fancy little boy here. And we're going to go ahead and give it a nice tidying up. And we're going to go ahead and strip it down to the bare bones. Oh yeah. So, we're just going to go ahead and disassemble this guy first. Let's go ahead and shove that aside. You know what that is. You just don't have to know it right now. Get your safety down. You can come up here, push on this little tab, give it a press, then off comes your dust cover. Put that aside. Now you have the guts of your gun. Gun guts. Shut up. You just go ahead and get that there boy down. Press in on that, and there comes your recoil spring. Goody goody! Alright, now we come up here, you're gonna take out your entire bolt and gas tube system. Gas piston, whatever, English. Now this is gonna be a bit of a bitch, because this guy is really fucking stout. That's to get your gas tube open. Hold on, I'm gonna have to find me a device to tidy that up.
Devis. He needs a Devis. A Devis.
When in doubt, spoon. There we go. Nice and spice. Hello, Father, who is off camera currently. A little further. Very, very firm. Let's go up with like a right angle. That's what I'm causing this to do. Spoon. Gotta love the incorrect use of a spoon. Ah, we're almost there. 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 God, this is... this one is very fucking tight. Hang on, folks. No, we're not going to do that this time because that is a bitch. Ow. Well, you know the idea. If you want to see how you get that off, just watch the AK-47 disassembly video. Same process. Man, there we go. Now we got the boy opened up. We could do more. We can get the trigger stuff out if we wanted to, but I don't know how to get that back in. I've never gone that far. Here you go. Field stripped AK for the most part. Now we're going to clean him. Okay, before we started rolling again, this man just blew ass, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and, make that known. What the fuck are you doing over there? Stop forcing it, or you're gonna fucking shit your pants one of these days. Stop that! Alright, y'all, it's time for the humble return of Rag. Hell yeah, brother. Put Rag aside. Squeeze. Look at the old fib case. Hold on. Hey, Earl died. Earl died before. So now we have his older brother, Jasper. He got a little hangly tube for that accurate squirt. What? What? What, bro? Okay. We're ready again. Where'd I put the case? Where'd I put the case at? Whoa. Where'd I put the case? There's a case. Where'd I put it at? Oh. Let's get these old Gilbert's out of the way. Open up our secret case. Now to figure out which one goes through this the best. We can't exactly get into the chamber right away, or into the barrel, because we got this big-ass fucking compensator here. That should, in theory, I don't know. I don't know, Batman, I don't know! No, we're just gonna go ahead and say that it'll work. You know, it's gonna do its thing. Now, let's see if we can find the adapter for the adapter now. Adapter for the adapter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and assemble the bung. Rotate. The fuck was that Caesar you just did over here? Okay, behind the fucking camera, this boy went over like...
No.
Yes, the fuck you did. I'm facing toward you.
Finger. Pingy, 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 pingy.
No. Bro. Go wipe. Go fucking blow ass before we continue, you fucking troglodyte. Ah! Huh? Is there a... Must be a catch on this. Nope, it just has some pre in there. Oh, God. God, that thing just splurted. I think we need a slightly smaller. Because this is too thick. Let's see. So would this be slightly smaller? I think that'd be slightly smaller.
Yeah.
Tables. Undergarment. Oh god, I about yacked. Oh. No. Okay, this is the primary issue. I don't know how to remove that. Maybe it's threaded. Answer is no. Let's try this guy. Attempt and fail until we get it right. Right. I'm left. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's an inside joke you'll never know the history behind. Oh yeah. Ah, satisfactory that is. What? Frightening that is. Alright, fellers, we got that barrel nice and startily cleaned. I'm not sure if I want to use any of these gray wool looking things, because they're already nastier than fuck. So I think we're just going to go ahead and bring back an old friend. An old friend! Reach inside and look at that, it's boar snake! Oh! He does the job of 258 worms at once. Wriggling in, cleaning, eating dirt. Yes. Hey.
Gorge.
I think it blew its load a little too much. Gotta go ahead and hit it again with this. Some swirly dude. What? A little bit more steady here. Look at that. It comes out the other end. Okay, get off! Okay. Time to slide board.
to the depths.
Down to the depths of this barrel. What? No. You don't do that here. Stop that illegal nonsense. I'll have to call ICE on you. Get out! Where the fuck you go, you poop shovel? Can't see with these shades. I've never taken them off. But this fucking compensator, man. This is causing all the issues. And I don't know how to remove it. I just have to leave the barrel oiled up to let Diddy do his thing. You know, Diddy see, Diddy do. What? But this thing is unruly. I don't understand you. Go down the barrel. Go down the barrel. Thank you for fucking cooperating. I don't think we have a tight enough force to even go through here. Maybe that's another issue. So, you know, fuck it. We're going with the gray wool attachment time. That's the only way to sneak down into the depths of this boy and get him tidy. Oh, the hand.
Henry.
I'm going to make him approach. Here, hen. Here, hen.
I grab you in my pants.
Dude, buddy, lift him and hold him. Hey, dude.
Alright, that's enough of the hen. Alright, boys, we already got that gray wool in there. It's gonna become even grayer. And get nice and tidy, which doesn't even make a fucking difference because there's already, that. There we go. Clean that barrel as best as I physically can with the limitations of that. And then we're gonna go ahead and clean up the innards and clean out the outards and, I don't know, fucking paint it a nice dinner. Whatever that means. Alright, feelers. I already got this guy prepped here, but once you get in, you want to slide it through into the gas tube. Press down, and then slide it on forward. There you go. Now you got your bolt assembly, and you got your gas tube system, your piston, all that shit there. And then we're gonna lube this shit up here just a tad. Get your recoil spring nice and slathered.
No.
Way it goes good, and no spread. Press this in. I'm gonna find that groove. Which I'm always gonna struggle with because I have these shades on and everything's dark. There we go. And pretty much all you need for an AK right there. You don't need the dust cover technically, but it's always good to have it on anyway. So take your dust cover. You're gonna press it up here against your sight block. And you wanna press down. It takes me a sec to get it on sometimes. I've been practicing, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Shouldn't be. Use this catch up. There we go. And then your recoil spring tube little thing will pop up there, and that's your AK74. Right back in the gringo. We gotta go and do some more here, don't we? Squirt that there. Probably did a bit too much, but I don't care. Just give it a little wipey. Like you're wiping an anus. And give it a nice couple of little rattles. Spread that oil real good. Spread it on now. Spread it like some cheeks. They are going to wipe. Poop joke. And we're going to go ahead and oil some of this guy up too, because it is so fucking stiff. You have no idea. Good enough. I'll deal with it later. Squirt it there. Squirt it there. And wipe. Just a little, go a long way. And make it look nice and pretty. Not as pretty as that though. That was an absolute magnificent belch there. I make beautiful burps. I don't fucking yak on stream, on camera, in 4K Ultra HD. Ah, you can see every chunk.
Yeah.
Look at that! Wow!
Gonna go ahead and clean up the spillage over here from when I made it seep. What? What? I just said seep. What did that? Why did that fucking prelude that word or that reaction? I can't English. But you know, it's clean now. We're happy. Happy as a fucking pig in toots. You ever seen a pig wearing a tuxedo? Neither have I. Okay, well that's that. Spick and span. That's that. Well, there you go, fellas. Keeping it quick and simple again. So there's the AK74, nice and clean. Probably gonna need to do a few more touch-ups here because you know there's a bit of oil still that hasn't been spread properly. So there we go, just a bit of that. But yeah, there we go, done and done. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll enjoy the rest of the videos that are to come. So the guns are back, and I'm the greatness that is soon to be. BangMung! And I'll see you whenever I upload next. Toodaloo.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
we don't do that.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!